To set internet app to always view all websites in desktop mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting, tap Web Page View and Scrolling, and then tap the gray on offset next to Show Desktop Site until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, tap the back key twice to go back to the main page. As you can see, now Samsung Internet app will always open website in desktop mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.